Yeah, these are my working tools and my materials. The chain, the padlock, then two colors of purple, light purple and deep purple, my scissors and my crochet hook. So let's go. You make a knot like this. Then you make 50 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So continue working until you make 50 chains. Yeah, after making your 50 chains, you skip one stitch, crochet on the next. You make slip knit like this. Then on the next stitch, you make half double crochet like this. Yarn over, yarn over. That's it. Then on the next stitch, you make slip knit. That's it. Then on the next stitch, you make half double crochet. Next stitch, slip knit. Next stitch, half double crochet. Next stitch, slip knit. Next stitch, half double crochet. So you continue working till you work on all the remaining 49 stitches. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, you make one chain, then turn. So once you turn, you slip knit on the first stitch, then on the next stitch, make half double crochet. That's it. Next stitch, slip knit. Next knit, you make half double crochet. Next stitch, slip knit. Next stitch, you make half double crochet. Yeah, you can see it. So you continue working with that to this point. Sorry. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, you make one chain and turn. So once you turn, you slip, next stitch, half double crochet, next stitch, slip, next stitch, half double crochet. So you continue working with that till you work 150 rows. 150 rows. Then you start working single crochet down. You crochet from here. That's it. That's it. So you crochet to the end here. Let me show you to this point. Yeah, I'm done. You can see it. So I've already marked how I will fold it. So from here to this point, I have 45 stitches. So I will fold here. Then after folding it like this, so from here to this point, I have 29 stitches. So from here to this point, I have 45, sorry. 45 here, 29 here, then 45 here. So let's fold. So you also fold here from here. You fold it from that place. So this last point will be crossed like this. Yeah, it will appear like this. That's it. So now I will work the side back. So you make your knot. Then work 30 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So continue until you work 30 chains. Yeah, after working 30 chains, you skip one stitch, then you slip on the next stitch. The same pattern we use on the main body bag. Then the next stitch, make half double crochet. Then on the next stitch, you slip knit. Then the next stitch, make half double crochet. So you work that to this point. Yeah, at the end, you make one chain and turn. So you work more 2 rows of this. More 2 rows of this. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, you make one chain. Oh, sorry. So to start the fourth row, so we're going to reduce the both end. Just watch out. You can see, don't complete the slip knit. On the next stitch, that's it. Then we have to. That's it. Then on the next stitch, make another slip knot. That's it. Then on the next stitch, you work half double crochet. On the next stitch, your slip knit. On the next stitch, half double crochet. So you continue working to this point. Yeah, you can see it's remaining 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then on the next stitch, you work half double crochet. Then on the next stitch, you slip knit. On the next stitch, we are going to reduce it. So don't complete the slip knit. On the next stitch, so this is where you will complete the slip knit. Yeah, you can see it. Then you make one chain and turn. So if you count the stitches now, instead of 29 stitches, we now have 27 stitches because we have reduced the both end. So we continue working. We slit in 2 stitches. 1, the next stitch is slit. 2. Then on the next stitch, make half double crochet. Next stitch, slit. So you can see it. So you continue working to this point. At the end, you slip stitch on the next and the last two stitches here. We made the reduction on the 4th row, so we repeat that on the 8 rows and 16 rows, 24 rows, 32 rows, and 40 rows. So 4th row, 8th row, 16th row, 24th, 32, and 40th row. Here you can see it. So you start working single crochet down to this point. So you work here. Okay. Okay. So you continue working. So you can see it. So continue working till you walk round to this point. Yeah, you can see it. So at the end, you cut it off. Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So you make it two. So I will fix it like this. This one will be here. Then this other one will be here. So you can see I use deep purple for the side one, but this one is light and the deep purple mixed together. After fixing, that's it. So it looks like this. That's it. So I will fold the side like this. Then this side like this. So it will look like this. This is the padlock. That's it. So I will fix this here. So let me show you. So this one will be here and this one will be here.